Hello friends, in last we created student registration form. Now we are going to start student login page. So you can see first of all here in student folder I am going to create one new page, add new item. Now here we are going to add new page, but we don't need to select this master page. So add, and now you can see we are getting here empty page. Now we need to keep same design whatever we use in library inside login page. So I am going to copy that design from this login.asps. Don't need to copy this, you need to start copy from here. Copy these things and student login side we are going to paste. Now from here, right now we don't need this button click event, we need to cut this, and we are going to change here title, student login, and here also we are going to change title. And now in student folder we are going to make this set as start page, student login page, and we are going to check we got design or not. We have to wait. So you can see we got here this design. Now we are going to start our coding. So coding is similar to library and login page, so we don't need to write more coding. Just go on this design, student login design, double click here. Now just write here using system.data and using system.data.sql line. Okay, now open library and login C#. So here this, just copy this line for connection string. I am going to paste here. Here we are going to copy these, we are going to paste here, and in button click event also we can copy this code. So I am going to copy this, and student login we are going to paste. Now only we need to change here is our table name, student registration, and here we are username and password, and more thing we need to add, that is this April. So I am going to show you. Here you can see we take April is equal to no, it means this cannot be login. So now here I am going to take April is equal to yes, then and then it should login. If username password correct, it will form on demo.asps, otherwise it will display this error. So here we are going to check we have that division or not. Yeah, we have that division. So now we are going to check this is working proper or not. We had already this code, so just we need to copy and paste. Try, I'm going to write here in incorrect, you enter invalid username or password. Now we are going to check correct username and password. Here username is Amit, password is also Amit. I am going to run this, then also we should get this error because here April is equal to no, that's why we are going to check. Here Amit and signing. Yeah, we got this message. Now here I am going to change yes, And now if I am going to write that username password, I can log in. Yeah, you can see I forgot demo.sps. So this is working proper. So I hope you understand this. And now in next video again we are going on librarian side, because in librarian side we are going to display this student all details, so librarian can accept and reject any student, means banned. If librarian can ban any student, then they can, means disapprove, approve, something like this. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you like my video, then please like it, share it. Thank you so much again.